Hello.
Hi, Chef Anwar.
Hi. How are you?
So,
Good.
Chef, what is special today?
First, I will present myself. Okay. I am Chef Anwar, head chef, and this is my team. I have Siam and Prasad. Okay. Today we will be making croque madame. Okay. We will be using the Muslim bread with mornay sauce mixed with truffle. Okay. Emmental cheese and pastrami. Okay.
Okay, sir.
First, we will mix some mornay sauce with truffle paste together. Then I will put some pastrami and Emmental shredded, and then I mix again. And then one slice of Emmental, some mornay sauce, some fresh truffle slice, pastrami, then mornay sauce, then cheese, mornay sauce again, cheese, mornay sauce, pastrami, mornay sauce, cheese, then I'll put some mornay sauce on the top. My oven 200 degrees. Put some cheese. My oven tray. Opa. Oven is already on 200 degrees. And then I will put this around 5 minutes.
Okay, sir. This great look nice, chef.
Yeah, thank you. We will see how
So we wait for your result.
Yes,
and the
we'll-
plating.
after 5 minutes.
Chef, please check.
Yes, please. Yes. Now my
Yeah, wow, sir.
Croque.
It look very nice.
perfect cook. Now we will be doing the fried eggs. First, I will break my eggs in the bowl and check there is no egg shell. Okay.
Nice.
Then I will put some clarified butter in my fry pan, and then I'll put it on the middle. Then I will try to
Yeah, that's nice idea, chef, to make a perfect
yes
shape.
to make it a perfect shape and to okay.
Yeah, we done our fried egg. Huh?
Right, eggs is ready. So
Yes.
I'll be using my rings to have nice shape. Yummy.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Wow, chef.
Shaving of
Yes, fast one.
fresh truffle. Cheese. Then I'll be putting some fresh pepper, sea salt, and some cress.
Awesome.
Voila, this is our croque madame. It's ready. Bon appétit.